Mole calculations. Welcome to the Farmyard Academy, the home of short clip revision material and tutorials. Please subscribe and thanks for watching. When attempting difficult mole calculations, use 3 stages. In stage 1, work out what the question wants. Write out a suitable formula and rearrange where appropriate. Then in stage 2, work out the moles of something they have given you information of. And finally in stage 3, use a mole ratio and plug in terms. Because the question asks you to calculate a volume of gas, you need to use the ideal gas equation for this question. Rearrange it to make V the subject and plug in the terms. Here you can plug in the molar gas constant R, the temperature and the pressure. Remember units in this equation, as temperature has to be in Kelvin, so add 273 to the 85. Also pressure has to be pascals, so multiply 200 by 1000. Moving on to stage 2, looking at the question, they have given you a mass in grams for calcium carbonate. You need to calculate the moles of the calcium carbonate using N equals mass divided by the molar mass. You get an overall answer that can be used in stage 3. In the final stage, you use a chemical equation and the mole ratios to work out the moles the question wants. This is a difficult exam question because you need to work out an equation. If you can do this, you will see that the mole ratio between the calcium carbonate and the carbon dioxide is a 1:1 ratio. In this instance, you can plug in the answer from stage 2 into stage 1 and calculate the overall answer in meters cubed. To convert the answer to decimeters cubed as the question states, you must multiply by 1000. State the answer to 3 significant figures to obtain full marks. Please see the final video in the series where we will solve another complicated mole calculation exam question step by step. Thanks for watching and see you again for more learning on Farmyard Academy.